I'm not surprised. We've been hearing this whispering campaign for the last 6 to 7 months that there may be a change in guard in the BJP. I just want to ask one thing to the BJP. How will they go into the 2023 election saying that they have had 5 years of successful governance when they've removed the Chief Minister in the 4th year for some unknown reason? And I think that in the coming days, you will see that there will be more fissures within the BJP. We are very confident if the elections are held tomorrow, we are ready to take on any political party, be it BJP, Trinamool, Congress or any other party, communist. But BJP as a ruling power will have a lot of problems in the coming days. We are waiting and watching, but we are ready on the ground. If the elections are announced tomorrow, we will fight it and we'll win. If the BJP comes with a concrete proposal, which is a constitutional solution for a demand of Greater Tripura land, we will talk about it. But if they don't, there's going to be no alliance with any political party until we don't have a constitutional guarantee for our people. Because Uttarakhand BJP has an organization. Big difference because in Gujarat, where they changed the Chief Minister, BJP has an organization. In Tripura, the BJP was actually the Congress, which shifted in 2018 and came over and took on the left. The BJP has no organization in Tripura. It's a very new organization and it's depended on people who crossed over from the Congress to the BJP to win the elections last time. Ye baar wo hawa nahi chalegi. This is not going to happen this time, and they've had 4 years. And if the BJP central leadership itself is admitting that the Chief Minister's performance was not up to the mark, they are actually admitting that there is a big problem in the state. Getting feelers not from now, I'm getting feelers for the last 6 months. There is a bar. If the MLAs cross over now, they may be expelled from the party. So all of them are waiting. And just before election, you will see scores of MLAs who will try to cross over and join my party. But again, their commitment to our issue should be there. It cannot be because they want an MLA ticket. It has to be because they're committed to a constitutional demand of Greater Tripura.